is Samina Sheikh here on Zoom channel and on the red carpet of Glammy Awards. And with me today, I have Manara Chopra. So join me as I welcome her only on Zoom. Lovely to have you. A different look altogether, and I could see that you love to experiment. Do you?
I definitely am one person. I'm like an Indian person, a normal, casual person, and I love to experiment with my looks because I think there's just one life and you should just live it up to whatever fashion expectations you have set for yourself.
And I have to ask, what is Manara's fashion mantra?
My fashion mantra is something I have to be comfortable because I think I'm a person who loves to speak. So I have to be feeling comfortable in the clothes I'm wearing because the conversation has to go on. It doesn't have to be very loud so that it just takes away the sparkle of my personality. At the same point of time, it has to be decent and classy enough that it projects me as the person I am within myself. Apart from being a very chirpy person, this is also another side of me. So I just keep my fashion according to my mood.
And you could clearly see that you have a lot of sides to you, and you have been exploring a lot of sides. And recently, we have been hearing that the other side of you is the music side of it. So, can you tell us something about it? Because Manara loves music.
Oh my God! I think you have been like really catching up on my. The things which I'm doing in my personal space. So yes, I'm looking to release a song which is like a cover song. It is, I have been like really wanting to release it for a very long time, but I think you have to do it when you're in a right space of mind. And now I think it's the festive time, it's the holiday season as well. So I think it's going to be the right time and I'm going to release it in the coming few days.
What is that one thing Manara doesn't let go of her, otherwise, on social media too?
I think I'm a person with a lot of patience. I've seen many highs, I've seen many lows, and but I think the one thing which I never lose for myself is who I am as a person. I don't want to lose myself.
But lovely chatting with you. Thank you so much for a lovely time. Thank you. Lovely to have you, Nandini, and I could see a spectacular outfit you're wearing tonight. A lot of efforts you have made. I have to ask you, what's your go-to styling whenever you're coming for a glamorous event?
I feel it's always something that matches my personality wherever I'm going out. To actually know what first the event is like and then actually go to the designers to source. But it's always about very elegant, very easy breezy, but also bold.
I have to ask you, what is a tinge of glam you love to add in yourself, in your wardrobe?
My smile.
And when it comes to social media, what are you hooked on to?
What?
You are hooked on to?
I think it's a Bollywood songs which I'm hooked on to, or maybe something that actually makes me groove to some of the beats. I think that's what Instagram Reels are making me stay on my phone for so long.
Really? And like one thing which you really miss, doing on social media, which you really feel I could explore, but let me just stay away from it.
I don't want to, I did not stop doing it, but I think I'm in a pause of recording dance videos. So I think you'll see me making more dance videos upcoming this season.
Okay, and we are looking forward to that. But before I let you go, what are your upcoming projects you're focusing on?
It's definitely, you also know that, and my fans and my supporters also know that I'm going for Miss World next year, and my only goal is to bring that beautiful blue crown back to our country.
And that's a lot of hard work, I must say that, and I know what happens, behind the camera, off camera, on camera. So all the very best. Thank you so much for your lovely time.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Lovely to have you, and I must say that there's some different glow on you. It's a glam what's working on you, I must say that, right?
Yeah, I think positive energy, dedication, motivation,
What is keeping Khanzadi busy with?
music.
Yeah, and what is that one thing you prefer seeing on social media?
My music, which is going to be released very soon.
And what is that one thing you really refrain to be, doing on social media, or would prefer not to see either?
I think I'm always being real, so I'm not afraid of myself.
Is social media taxing for you or reviving?
Both.
And if you had to stalk a personality on social media, who would it be and why?
I think Shushmita ma'am, because she is an inspiration. I really admire her. The way she is, the way she carries herself. She is a diva, she is a goddess, and yeah.
Lovely chatting with you, and thank you so much for your lovely time. Thank you.